Once I went for a satsang to a very wealthy person's house in Gurgaon, which was beautifully done up. And I want to share this satsang not from a perspective ke, what happened at the satsang, as much as what I learned myself personally from this satsang. Bhajans being played, few shabads were played, and Mata's bhajans were played. It was during Navratras. And it was very strange. We sat down and the audience was asked, whoever wants to do a satsang, please stand up and do a satsang if you feel like. Yeah, the whole experience was not of a satsang as much as it was of an experience of a party. And Guruji bhi bolte the, अगर आप सत्संग करो तो आप अपने आप ही खाना बनाओ so it becomes prasad. You have to make it. Catering makes it into a party. These are very interesting things. There's a reason. क्योंकि आपकी एनर्जी जाएगी, आप गुरुजी को परोस रहे हो, आप उनके संगत को परोस रहे हो भोजन जो प्रसाद है, तो आप उसी महत्व से आप अपना लव, अपनी ध्यान वो आप भोजन में डालोगे. Versus a caterer who could have had a fight with his wife, who's in a bad mood, and that energy goes into the food. And that is why he wants you to make it. Langar has to be made by you and the people in the family. It doesn't get made from an outsider, otherwise, it becomes a party. So, all the things that were happening were incorrect. And in my head, I said, Guruji, मुझे सत्संग यहाँ पे नहीं करना है, which is fine. It so happened that someone from the old Sangat was also there and they kept telling me, आप सत्संग करो. And I said, यहाँ पे माहौल नहीं है सत्संग के लिए, it is okay. और मैं वहीं पे बैठी थी, मैंने सोचा कि 5 मिनट में उठ के जा रही हूँ यहाँ से, which is fine. You will not believe what happened. अंदर से पता नहीं क्या. I don't know if I call it telepathy. I don't know what I call it. But whatever happened within me, I felt that it was complete niradar of my guru. So I got up and I did a satsang about how a satsang should be conducted and what exactly went incorrect in that satsang. Satsang is not about you displaying your house, your home. It is Guruji's darbar at that moment. जब आप अपने गुरु को अपने घर, अपना वैसे कुछ है ही नहीं, जो भी आप बुलाओगे गुरुजी को, उस वक्त जब तक गुरुजी बैठे हैं वो उनका दरबार हो जाता है, आपका घर नहीं. So whatever happens has to be conducted in the way Guruji wants it to be conducted. And that is the most important thing, which is why I think we all need to course correct what is happening in satsangs across the country and across the world. And you know, the decorations, Guruji बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे सब लोग celebrity बनने आ रहे हैं, जो सत्संग कर रहे हैं. That's another thing. Ego is becoming a big element. बहुत वो जो बोलते हैं ना सूक्ष्म अहंकार, हमें सिर्फ शब्द सुनना है, ध्यान से सुनना है, उसको इम्बाइब करना है एंड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि गुरुजी हमें क्या सिखा रहे हैं एंड देन टू ग्रो फ्रॉम देयर. यू नो, दैट इज माय ओनली रिक्वेस्ट दैट हम सत्संग ठीक करें. एंड that is my experience with Guruji. For the last 2 months, all he's been doing is explaining to me the purpose of a satsang. He says the purpose of a satsang is for people to come together with one cause, to focus on the divine. And that is the reason why satsangs are conducted. So that all of us sit together and pray in the same direction. And that is why satsangs are conducted.